Setting up devices in bulk and ran into a PPKG1 file from Windows Configuration Designer. This is a provisioning package for automating Windows setup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through applying these Windows provisioning package files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the PPKG1 file. I'll reveal it at the end. PPKG1 files are Windows provisioning package files, created by Microsoft Windows Configuration Designer for deploying configuration settings to Windows devices. They contain settings for joining domains, installing certificates, configuring Wi-Fi networks, adding applications, and applying security policies during initial device setup or runtime provisioning. PPKG1 files use a signed package format containing XML manifests with configuration directives, binary payloads for application installers, certificate files, and customization assets. The structure follows Microsoft's provisioning framework with namespace-based settings for runtime configuration through the Windows Provisioning Runtime Engine. To ensure best performance with PPKG1, always start with Windows Configuration Designer from Microsoft. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows may show the structure, but only knowledgeable users should modify configuration entries. Your key starting action. Right-click the PPKG1 file and select Open With. If Windows Configuration Designer is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the PPKG1 file opens successfully. If your PPKG1 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this PPKG1 error before we apply the universal fix. First, applying via File Explorer. Double-click the PPKG1 file in Windows File Explorer to launch the provisioning runtime. Confirm the user account control prompt and review the source warning. Windows applies the package settings, configuring the device according to the package contents. Restart the system if prompted to complete configuration changes. Next, using Settings app. Open Windows Settings, then navigate to Accounts, then Access Work or School. Click Add or Remove a provisioning package and select Add a package. Browse to your PPKG1 file and apply it. The Settings app processes the package, showing progress and confirmation when configuration completes successfully. Finally, Editing in Configuration Designer. Install Windows Configuration Designer from the Microsoft Store to edit and create PPKG1 files. Open the package in Configuration Designer to review settings, modify configurations, and re-export. This requires the original project files for full editing capabilities, though Configuration Designer can import and adjust existing packages. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.